In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in a Telegram channel. If you're trying to quickly find a specific post, a link, or a keyword inside a busy channel, the built-in search makes it fast and precise. You can do this on Telegram desktop or Telegram web, and the process is essentially the same. First, open Telegram on your computer or in your browser and go into the channel you want to search. Make sure you're actually inside the channel's chat view so the search is focused on that single channel's history. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the search bar with a magnifying glass icon. Click that. This is the in-channel search, which is different from the global search you might use to find people or channels. Using the one at the top of the chat ensures you're only searching inside the channel you have open, not across all your conversations. Next, type the text you want to find. This could be a keyword, a name, or a short phrase you remember from a post. Telegram search is generally case-insensitive, so you don't need to worry about capital letters. For best results, try to use a distinctive word or a short phrase that's likely to be unique. If your first try brings up too many results, refine your term by adding one more word you remember from the message. If you're not sure about the spelling, type the part you're confident about and see what comes up. Once you've entered your search term, press Enter. Telegram will jump to the first match in that channel's history and highlight the exact part of the message that matches your search. You might also see a small counter, like 1 of 12, letting you know how many results there are. Press Enter again to move to the next match, and keep pressing Enter to cycle through each result one by one. This is an efficient way to scan the channel's history without scrolling manually. Pause on any result to read the surrounding context and confirm it's the message you're after. If you need to adjust your search, click into the search bar again, change the text, and press Enter to start jumping through the new set of results. When you're done, you can clear the search field or click away to return to normal browsing in the channel. And that's it. Open the channel, click the search bar at the top, type what you want to find, and press Enter to move through the matches. This simple workflow saves time and helps you zero in on exactly what you need.